Since the invention of electricity, we have been developing tools and skills to explore, confirm, and research how things work. Because of these tools, we can set standards on what is safe and make sense of the electrical world around us. Because of the direct feedback that the tools create, we can see how our actions lead to certain effects and play around with it.
Alexa, play U2 on Spotify.
Playing songs by U2 from Spotify.
This framework explains how certain parts of the system communicate. The yellow LEDs represent the electrical signals, while the blue LEDs represent the digital signals. The red and the green are the in and outputs to the user. We have tools to communicate the properties of the physical layer, but we need to develop a set of tools to communicate the properties of the digital or API layer. For this, we need new terminology. We need to think about what the units are in the digital world, how we can compare, extract, and see a trend over time, and how we can connect to these systems. Can we force companies to give us endpoints so we can measure this?